Okay, welcome to the AQA GCSE physics specification lessons that I'm going to be doing. First lesson I'm going to be doing today is on electricity. Okay, so a lot of students find electricity quite tough conceptually because it's quite an abstract thing. And the thing is, it's actually not that difficult. So let's break it down. So first things first, there are several of these things which are called circuit symbols you've got to remember. Okay, this one is a cell, which is basically one unit of a battery. Okay, so if you go to your supermarket, wherever you buy your batteries, AA, AAA, each battery is made up of subunits called cells. Okay, so what I like to tell students is think of a prison, and you've got cells in a prison, so which are basically the rooms, and multiple cells make up the prison, multiple cells make up a battery. Okay? But what happens in a circuit, a simple circuit? So what have we got here? We've got a cell, we've got a wire, and we've got a bulb. Okay, so here is our circuit symbol for a lamp or a bulb. Okay, and the main idea here is current, and we're going to talk about something called conventional current. Okay, conventional current goes from the positive end of the battery or the cell towards the negative end. Now, traditionally and historically, scientists thought that charged particles were positively charged and not negatively charged, as we know now. Okay, and hence we have stuck with the convention. Okay, that charges, and at the time they decided that the positive charge would leave the negative end, sorry, the positive end and go towards the negative end. Okay, so unfortunately we're stuck with that. So please make sure for your exams you remember positive to negative for conventional current. Okay. However, we discovered the electron. J.J. Thomson discovered the electron. And in fact, particles that traveled around a circuit were not positively charged but were negatively charged. So in actual fact, we have electrons which go the opposite direction. And this is actually the direction of current. Okay? Now for your exam, you'll have to know the difference between conventional current and the direction of electron flow. So just remember they're opposites of one another. Okay? So electrons go this direction from the negative end of the cell of the battery towards the positive end of the battery. Okay? So I'm just going to end this video showing you the circuit symbol for a battery. So this is what it looks like. So you've got two cells, a couple of dots in between, and also, before I end this video, the longer vertical line denotes the positive end of the cell or battery, and the shorter line denotes the negative end. Okay? So I hope that's helpful, and good luck with your GCSEs.